Okay, so we need to find f of g of x first. So we're going to plug g of x into f of x. So we'll have the square root of x squared plus 4x minus 12. So plugging g of x into f of x. Now they want us to find the domain of this. And so the domain is describing all the values of x we're allowed to plug in. And you can plug in whatever you want, except you need to make sure that the inside of this square root is positive. So you need to make sure that x squared plus 4x minus 12 is greater than or equal to 0, because we're only allowed to take the square roots of things that are greater than or equal to 0. So now we're left with this thing. And if you have to solve a quadratic inequality, you're going to figure out where it equals 0. So you're going to factor the thing. So x plus 6x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. And if you graph it, you know that it equals 0 at -6 and at 2. And you can tell it's a right side up parabola. This is kind of a nice one, so we can do it graphically like that. And you can see that this parabola is greater than 0, greater than the y-axis, right? Over here and over here. So the y's are greater than 0 when the x's are over on this side and over on that side. So our answer is going to be, I can have any x's from -infinity to -6, including the 6 because I'm allowed to equal 0, united with 2 to infinity. So bracket 2 to infinity, and that's the domain of that function.